All right, we have Josh. Josh, you're going to tell us all about your Busy Bee holiday creation with one of our great clients.
Yeah, I drew BelGioioso, and since I know we have a lot of vegetarian friends here, I thought it'd be good to make a salad. So I made an easy Caprese salad using the fresh mozzarella pearls that BelGioioso features. I bought just grape tomatoes, basic little went to Whole Foods, bought the mixture of spring greens and fresh basil, tore it up and added it together. It took about 5 minutes. So it's a really great little salad that I like to make.
Looks delicious. Thank you very much, Josh.
Thank you.